Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you set up your local environment for Laravel development. In this course I will be using mainly three softwares. One will be the text editor, second will be the local server and third will be the browser. For the text editor I will be using VS Code. You can use any kind of text editor you prefer, and for the local host I will be using Laravel, and for the browser it will be Firefox. Now let's download those softwares. First of all, we will download VS Code. For that you have to go code.visualstudio.com. From here you can see here is a big button called download for Windows. We will click here and the download will be start automatically. It started. Then we will go to Laravel website. It is laravel.org. Those who don't know about Laravel is a localhost server. It's like XAMPP or WAMP if you used it before. Basically, Laravel is way more faster than XAMPP or WAMP. It has some cool feature on it. So we will be using this as our localhost server. Now let's download it. For download, we will click here, download, and we will be needing the full version of Laravel. So for that we will click here, download Laravel full, and the download will be started automatically. And after download we will explore how Laravel works and what kind of good feature it provides out of the box. So the download has been completed. Let's install them. First of all, let's install the VS Code. Okay, the VS Code is installed. Then we will install Laravel. Just normally install how you install the application. Next, and install. Let's give it time. Okay, the Laravel is installed. Let's finish it. Close the windows. Now let's open the Laravel app. Here is the interface of Laravel. The magic of Laravel is you don't have to install other stuff like Composer and PHP for development. Its inbuilt has those features. You just have to click here, start all, for starting your server. You can see that Apache and MySQL is already started, and we are currently using PHP 8.1. Let's introduce with some feature of Laravel. First of all, here is a reload button. You can click here for reload your server, and here is a root. When we click here, we will see that a new pop-up. This is the core path of Laravel. All kind of project we will do, we'll place the folders here. Then here is a terminal. This is the inbuilt terminal of Laravel, and we will be using this terminal as our default terminal. We will not use CMD for our work. We will use this terminal. Why this terminal? Because we can access all the potential of Laravel from here. Like if I type Composer and enter, you can see I can access the Composer here, but if I open my CMD and say Composer, it can't find the Composer. So we have to use this terminal for all our CLI work. Let's close it. And here is a database feature. When we click here, open, we can see here is a new interface. it's a DB manager like phpMyAdmin. We will be not using phpMyAdmin. We will be using this DB manager as our default DB manager. And here is a web button. When we click, it redirects to a route and showing as a page. So when previously we saw that we have a index.php in our www folder. So basically Laravel is currently serving this index.php. If we edit this file, open with VS Code, okay, so if we scroll down, sorry, and change something like, let's change Laravel to hello world and save this. Let's go to our page and refresh. We can see the changes. So that's mean our server is totally working. There are also many features about Laravel. We will explore it other videos.